In this video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Spotify gift card on your phone. Now you cannot redeem the gift card using the mobile app. For that, you'll need to open up a web browser and then open up Spotify. So quickly open up any web browser of your choice and search for Spotify redeem code. Now if you have never logged into your Spotify using your browser, you need to log in first. So tap on the Spotify redeem. Now if you have not logged in, you'll have a section where you can log into your account, and once you do, you'll land directly on the screen. Now here you'll have an option where you can enter in the code from the back of your card or from your in-store receipt. So just type in the code and tap on I'm not a robot and tap on continue. And as easy as that, you will now successfully redeem your Spotify gift card using your mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.